Plant FAQs. Aeonium Mardi Gras. What is Aeonium Mardi Gras? Few succulents boast the vibrant flair of the Aeonium Mardi Gras. This captivating plant isn't just another pretty face. It's a low-maintenance wonder that brings a touch of festive cheer to any space. As a succulent enthusiast myself, I was immediately drawn to its kaleidoscope of colors and dynamic personality. In this article, I'll delve into the world of the Aeonium Mardi Gras, sharing its secrets and guiding you on your journey to cultivating this remarkable succulent. The Aeonium Mardi Gras lives up to its name with a dazzling display of colors throughout the year. Its rosettes, those compact clusters of fleshy leaves, are a captivating blend of emerald green and lemon yellow. But the real magic unfolds as the plant matures or experiences cooler temperatures. The vibrant green deepens, giving way to rich burgundy and fiery pink hues. It's like a living kaleidoscope, constantly shifting and transforming. See more 91 species and genus Aeonium at monsteraholic.com. Aeonium Fiesta versus Mardi Gras. My Aeonium Fiesta explodes with vibrant orange and yellow rosettes, like a fiesta in the sun. The Mardi Gras, while pretty, feels a bit more subdued next to it, with its soft pink and green tones. Aeonium Mardi Gras versus Medusa. The Mardi Gras rosette centers are a mesmerizing mix of pink and green, but they can be a bit delicate. Aeonium Medusa, on the other hand, is a real trooper. Its deep burgundy rosettes are tougher and hold their color beautifully. Where to find your Aeonium Mardi Gras? Due to its popularity, the Aeonium Mardi Gras is readily available at many online succulent retailers and local nurseries. Searching online allows you to compare prices and find established sellers with a reputation for healthy plants. Local nurseries offer the advantage of inspecting the plant's health firsthand. Whichever route you choose, ensure the seller offers established plants with vibrant colors and no signs of pests or disease, creating the perfect paradise for your Aeonium Mardi Gras. The Aeonium Mardi Gras thrives in a sunny environment with well-draining soil. Think of the sun-drenched landscapes of the Mediterranean. That's the kind of happy place you want to create for your succulent. A pot with drainage holes is essential to prevent root rot, and a succulent or cactus mix is ideal for providing the necessary drainage. Watering wisely, a key to success. One of the biggest downfalls for succulent owners is overwatering. The Aeonium Mardi Gras is no exception. Allow the soil to dry completely between waterings. During the summer dormancy period, watering can be reduced even further. Remember, underwatering is always preferable to overwatering. Wilting leaves are a good indicator that your plant needs a drink, but be sure to check the soil moisture before reaching for the watering can. A touch of magic, propagation. The beauty of succulents is their ease of propagation. The Aeonium Mardi Gras readily produces offsets, or pups, around the base of the main rosette. Once these pups reach a manageable size, you can carefully separate them from the mother plant and pot them individually. This not only allows you to expand your succulent collection, but it also helps maintain the health and vibrancy of the mother plant. Companions for your Aeonium Mardi Gras. The Aeonium Mardi Gras is a versatile plant that can thrive in various succulent arrangements. Consider pairing it with succulents of similar sun and water requirements, such as echeverias, sedums, or aloe species. Plants with contrasting colors or textures can also add visual interest. Experiment and create a miniature world that reflects your personal style. Beyond the basics, common concerns. While the Aeonic Mardi Gras is a relatively low-maintenance plant, there are a few things to keep an eye on. Mealybugs, small white insects that suck the sap from leaves, can be a nuisance. Look for signs of white cottony masses on the leaves and stems. If you spot them, isolate the plant and treat it with insecticidal soap or neem oil. Another potential issue is sunburn. If your plant receives too much direct sun, especially during the hottest part of the day, the leaves may turn brown or appear bleached. Adjust the amount of sunlight your plant receives if necessary. A lifelong companion. With proper care, your Aeonium Mardi Gras can become a treasured companion for years to come. Its captivating colors and low-maintenance nature make it an ideal choice for both seasoned and novice succulent enthusiasts. So why not bring a touch of festive flair into your home and embark on a journey with this extraordinary succulent?